What is up, YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. Today we're gonna show y'all how BMW looks on a drag pack. Oof, hey bro.
I just joined the game, man. Join the game, man. We got big tires, man. We don't do dicks, but we do roads. We got big tires, man.
This hoe looks dummy. Ooh. That hoe looks dummy. Bro.
Get the rotors that Pmas got over there.
Sheesh. Oh, ran into some biker boys. They out here. Saw there was a little accident. He actually kind of fell off the bike, I think, but I'm not finna get involved with that. I'm not trying to get in no type of trouble, so yeah, I'm finna just head back home. Might just wash the car or something just to get it cleaned up. Might go out tonight, not sure, but yeah, we'll see right now. Man, we finna pull up to the meet right now. You know how to get down over here in Mexico with the squad behind us. Yes sir. Yes, sir. Hey. What do you think about that, son?
Oh!
What do you think about that?
Gap sauce.
Alright, look. Get it, whatever. Get that water. That's someone gotta get cello. Right now, we're on the way to Mexico. Yes, sir. We got the GoPro recording outside. We got another GoPro inside. Ready to go, baby. Let's do it. Race this heads cam 416 all motor. That boy. That shit was moving, bro. Guys, that would be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Last night was dope. Caught some good ass runs with a lot of good people. You know, at NSFR, it's dope out there. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like the plate that I put on there. It says SS Who. Looks good. I put the new HPU sticker on it. I think it looks good. I'm gonna go wash the car, show y'all the car actually all nice and clean in the next video. But like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all you subscribers and all you new followers on Instagram and all the new subscribers. So it's only up from here. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. 17 Tito signing out.